Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you in the market for a fabulous new jacket that feels like $1,000,000 and makes you feel elegant and comfortable and cozy? Then look no further than this amazing jacket from Geschallino. There are so many things I love about this jacket, but my favorite is definitely the super soft material on the inside and on the outside. Wearing this jacket outdoors is just like being wrapped up in a blanket all day. I think I could sleep in this thing. I love how well it fits me. Even though I'm a bit on the plump side, this coat zips up perfectly and doesn't make me feel confined. It comes in different sizes ranging from small to 5X and different colors and styles, so I know that you'll find the one that's perfect for you. I love that the zipper and the stitching are made from super strong, durable material, and I'm excited that this coat is going to last me for years. It's got 2 side pockets that are deep enough to carry all of your stuff, and it's got a large hood that gives you an extra bit of warmth and style. So if you're looking to jazz up your wardrobe this winter, then I highly recommend this beautiful jacket from Geschallino. And that's my point of view.